Bitcoin is finally here at the resistance level where we could potentially open a new trade because of the symmetrical triangle. Will we now go higher here in the immediate short term, or will it be just another fake out? That is something that we definitely should be talking about today. And there's of course a lot of more things going on here on the different Bitcoin charts. So definitely stick here with me if you think that's interesting, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and activate the notification bell. And now let's jump straight into this content of today. So we see here right now the Bitcoin price breaking this crucial resistance level and also breaking out of the symmetrical triangle where we were putting in quite some time in consolidation. So we saw here yesterday a small fake out to the downside, but immediately pumped back up, and now we are just above this resistance level. So where will I put in a new trade? So I will not open for me personally right now already a trade. I want to see a 1 hourly or 4 hourly candle close just above this resistance level before I jump into this. But once we open, so once we're above that level, I would definitely put a trade in there. And don't forget, guys, you still get on BYBIT a free Ethereum trade worth $1,000. There's only 23% left. It got replenished yesterday, so you can still take advantage of that. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment below. So if you want to trade Ethereum, definitely go to BYBIT and claim your $1,000 position, because also Ethereum is going up right now because Bitcoin is pumping, and a little bit more in a second about this. So don't forget, guys, here this specific trade, if you want to take it, the target would be around $20,000. So if we would take this trade from where we are right now, so that is yeah, like a 4.25% move. If we trade this on 20x leverage, you can make here 100%. So if it turns on us, it's and we would break further down, then for our short position, so this would be also a 100% move on 20x leverage, more or less, that we can bank here. So now we see a rejection happening right now from the $19,200 level. So you can see it here, the price gets pushed down, but we have to wait a little bit longer to get some clarification if we should open a trade here. Let's have a look on a stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI wants to move higher here. There's still some room all the way up to 100% to be here again in overbought conditions. So we could see here a legit breakout to the upside. Also on the EMA ribbons, here on the EMA ribbons, we are just about to flip bullish again, but again we need to wait for the 1 hourly close to get confirmation also on the EMA ribbons. So now when we look here on the daily chart, here the support level of this bearish cup and the handle pattern was acting again as support here, because we have seen now a significant bounce from this level, but that doesn't mean that we are out of the woods just yet. We have to wait for the daily close, and even if we would be out of moving away from this, we still have this downward sloping resistance line here, the multi-month downwards trending resistance line from the all-time high, that would be coming in at around $20,200 ish over the next couple days, that Bitcoin might actually retest. But like I said in my last videos, I'm not expecting that we're gonna break it once we come up here. We could see something like this and then actually a fake out back down. So I definitely be careful on this, but that doesn't mean that we cannot make money in the meantime. So, and the thing that could change everything for us this week could be if we finally break out on the weekly chart out of this bigger falling wedge here. So, but again, also here we have to be careful, because the biggest resistance would come in here at $23,450 from the 200 weekly moving average, where we have to be really careful with. So I would not jump to conclusions just by breaking out of this falling wedge here, because that will be a massive resistance for the Bitcoin price, and we have to wait what's going to happen there before we can open major long positions again. So once we are above the 200 weekly EMA, that will be the moment where I will put in my biggest long ever that I have made if we close a weekly candle above the 200 weekly EMA. Let's also have a quick look on Ethereum, where's my Ethereum chart? So here on the daily Ethereum chart, so we are technically still under the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern that we have seen here. So, but right now, the 1240 level is giving us support. We saw a bounce in the last couple of days from this level. So, but here also, if you want to trade this, I would take profits at around 1,400, what is it, and $20 ish. That would be my take profit zone. If you still want to long this, of course you can still long this from where we are right now. That would be almost still a 7% move on 10x leverage, 80% easy money if we go there. So we should also have a look on the indicators on a stochastic RSI. Yeah, so that is definitely pointing up. I actually forgot something on the weekly chart. There is something happening what we have never seen in Bitcoin history. And that is that we got here a divergence now. So is it drawn like this? So we have here on the weekly chart a bullish divergence, and that is something that we have never seen before on the weekly RSI for the Bitcoin price. So that is definitely making me heavily bullish for the next coming weeks, that the RSI is creeping up here again. So, but of course we have also to see where the momentum is going. So of course we have seen this in the past where then the stochastic RSI is turning around if the price is going higher here, and that will be the case once we're breaking out of this bigger falling wedge here on the weekly chart. Now let's get back here to Ethereum, because that was what I wanted to talk about on the lower time frames to see what's happening here. So also here on the 4-hourly chart, so there's definitely a lot of momentum still left that we could push it to the upside. So, and that is something that I might actually take advantage of. So here's also a small ascending triangle, descending triangle, sorry guys, descending triangle. So if we break here above $1,335, there you could open a long position and yeah, trade this all the way up to $1,420. Guys, that was a really quick video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget on BYBIT, if you just normally sign up on BYBIT, you still get $4,550 and the Ethereum position on top if you use the specific link in the description below. And on BitGet, you also still get $8,000 for free for signing up with my specific link here. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget that I will make a live stream tomorrow to hunt some gems out there. If you want to be part of that group, join my Telegram channel, sign up on BYBIT, deposit at least $500 and message my staff. There is a pinned message in the Telegram channel. You find the link also in the description and the pinned comment below. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see you again tomorrow.